Hello student, today we are going to start with exercise number 3.7. There is word problem and according to the word problem we have to do HCF and LCM. Renu purchased a 2 bag of fertilizers weight of 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of the weight which can be measured, the weight of the fertilizer, exact number of time. If it is maximum, then we need to find the LCM. If it is least or minimum, then we need to use LCM. Here it is maximum, so we will use HCF. So we need to find the HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Let's see the solution. The HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. 75, so it will come in 3. 3 2s are 6. 1. Here 1. 3 5s are 15, so 25. Now 25 will come in which table? 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So HCF will of 75 will be 3 5 5, and of 69 first we will do with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 23, and 23 1s are. So here will be 3 and 23. So what are the common factors between the 75 and 69? The common factor will be 3 and 3, 5, 5 and 23. These are not common. So the common factor is 3. Hence the required maximum value of the weight is 3 kg. So this is your answer. Now we go for the question number 2. 3 boys steps together from the same spot. The steps measured are 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that they can cover the distance in the complete step? Here is minimum, so we will find the LCM. The LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So let's find the LCM. Take 63, 70 and 77. First we will try with 2, then we will go for the larger number. For 2, here 63 will not come in 2 table. So here 70. So 2, 3 2s are 6 and 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 35. 77 will also not come in 2. Now 3. Take 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So here will be 21. 35 will not come in 3 table and even 77 will not come in 3 table. Now 21. So 3 7s are 21. Carry on 35 as it, 77 as it. Now we will go for 5. 7 keep as it is. 5 7s are 35 and 77 as it is. Now every 7, 7 and 7, everything will come in which table? 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 11s are 77. Now here is 1, here is 1 and here is 11. So 11 1s are 11. So 1, 1 and 1. So this is the LCM of our 63, 70 and 77. So the LCM of 63, 70 and 77 will be 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 1, 1. That is 11. This 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 1, 1. Finding the LCM. Now multiply this. So our answer will be 6930. That is 6930 centimeter. So the required minimum distance will be 6930 centimeter. This is the question number 2. Now let's see the question number 3. The length, breadth and the height of the room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step which can be measured the 3 dimension of the room exactly. So here we have the length, the breadth and the height. And we need to find the longest. From the longest it will come to know that we need to find the HCF. So the HCF of 825. First we will go for 825, then we will go for 675 and then 450. For 825, first we'll start with 3. 3 2s are 6, 7s are and 5s are. 5 5s are 25 and 5 55. 5 11s are 11 1s are. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry. So here will be 3 5s are 15. Again with the 3. 3 7s are 21. Here will be 1. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 1 and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. 2 50. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Here will be 10. 2 5s are 10. 3 7s are 21 and 1. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. Carry 1. So 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. For LCM and HCF, your table should be good. Then only you will be able to solve. So the prime factorization of 825, 675 and 450 will be 3 3 5 5 11. Here also 3 3 5 5 11. Then in here 3 3 3 5 5 and 2 3 3 5 5. So we are writing the same thing here. From this we will find the common. So the common will be 3 3 and 3, 5 5 and 5, 5 5 and 5. So the common factor will be 3 and 5 will be 2 times. 5 will be 2 times. How many times 5 will be? 5 will be 2 times. Right? So the HCF will be 3 into 5 into 5. So hence the required thing is 75 centimeter longest tape. This is your answer. Now we will go for the question number 4. So what is the question number 4? Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exact divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So what will be the smallest digit number? The smallest digit number will be 100. The smallest digit, 3-digit number will be 100. 1 0 0. Now LCM of which number we need to find? 6, 8 and 12. So let's find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. Again with the 2. 3 will not go in the 2. So keep 3 as it. Bring down 3. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2. Bring down 3 as it is, 3 as it is. Now we will take with 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is and 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of your 6, 8 and 12 be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So the answer will be 24. Now what we need to do? The smallest multiple of 24 in the 3-digit will be just above. So what we'll do? Just take 100 and divide with 24. So let's divide. 24 4s are 96. Our remainder is 4. So 100 minus 24. Sorry, 100 minus 4 plus 24. So 100 minus 4 will be 96 and plus 24 will be 120. So our required number will be 120 and not 100. So our required number will be 120 and our answer is also 120. Hope this exercise is clear to you. Rest of the sum we will solve in our next session. Thank you.